today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable private temporary chats in Google AI Studio without saving history. First, open your browser and head to Google AI Studio. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so the workspace loads properly. If you see your workspace and can start a new chat, you're good to go. The key to turning on private mode is the Incognito style icon in the top right corner of the page. Click that icon to enable temporary chat. When it's on, you'll see a clear indicator that you're in a temporary session, and from that moment, the chat history you create won't be saved to your account. Here's what that means in practice. Anything you type and the responses you receive during this temporary session won't show up in your saved conversations later. It's a great way to brainstorm, test prompts, or explore ideas without leaving a trail in your chat list. However, there's one important exception. If you upload any files during this session, those files are still saved to your Google Drive. So if your goal is to keep a clean slate, be mindful about uploads. You can always remove those files from Drive afterward if you decide you don't want to keep them. Another important note is that Google's logging policies still apply even in temporary chat. While your conversation history isn't saved to your chat list, the service may continue to collect basic usage information for security and quality purposes as outlined in the policy. If compliance or data retention matters to you, it's worth reviewing those details so you know exactly what's covered. When you're done, you can simply click the incognito icon again to return to the standard chat mode where conversations are saved. If you plan to switch back and forth, a helpful habit is to glance at the indicator at the top to confirm whether you're currently in a temporary or standard session. That quick check helps you avoid unintentionally saving a chat you wanted to keep private or losing a great conversation you meant to save. And that's it. Visit Google AI Studio, sign in, click the incognito icon to enable temporary chat. Remember that conversations won't be saved, know that uploaded files will go to your drive, and keep in mind that logging policies still apply. If this walkthrough helped, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.